Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a new magazine I did a commission for. So this one is Crafters Inspiration Magazine and kit number 5. I'm going to put the photo of the magazine here on the screen so you can check it out because I only received a digital copy of that magazine. So as you can see, it's a beautiful magazine designed by Crafters Companion, and it's full of wonderful goodies, papers, toppers, cutting dies, as you can see, some stamps. We've got also, let me actually show you. So this is a, as you can see, 6-piece die set, some flowers and some leaves as well, so you can create a beautiful project with that. We've got stamps, and as you can see, it's a big set. It's a 5 stamp set with 12 pieces. So it's, as you can see, tropical theme, and I really like it because you can create a beautiful projects for summer cards or even albums. As you can see, I cut out some toppers which you can download as well and print it off. There is this stencil. This one is 5 by 5 inches stencil, and you've got the sun, we've got those beautiful tropical leaves, we've got summer sunshine, and this palm tree as well. So I'm going to show you more of those goodies which you're going to get inside the magazine, and after that I'm going to play that other bit of video where I recorded my project. So I've done 5 projects for this magazine, and actually I had to check when I recorded that video. So I did those projects back in October last year. So it seems like such a long time ago, but it was nice to actually play with those goodies during autumn days, because yeah, it was such a long time ago. So yes, so stay tuned to the other side, other part of that video where I can show you those projects. And let me show you this embossing folder, because it's actually a very nice embossing folder. I think I've done at least 2 projects with this, and it's 6 by 4. As you can see, beautiful flowers. You can cut them off and you can layer on top of that embossed project, so you can use that as well in your card making. Also inside the magazine you are getting those beautiful papers. As you can see, they've got nice and vibrant colors. Again, tropical, beautiful and vibrant, which that's what we need for summer projects. As you can see, some of them are cut because of course I had to make those projects. And as you can see, we've got some pineapples as well. We've got those beautiful pink flowers, lots of pinks, greens and yellows, and those toppers. And that was my brief. I had to do 5 cards which are focused on toppers. So I that's what I did. Yes, let me show you. That's one sheet of the toppers I print off, and as you can see, beautiful sentiments, toppers and compositions as well, so you can use that as a main focal point on your cards. So now I'm going to add that other bit of the video in which you're going to see all projects I've done for this magazine. I might actually put some of the photos of my cards from that magazine so you can see step-by-step tutorials as well, written tutorials for those, and I hope you will like them. I hope you will be inspired to create your own. So these are 5 projects I've done with the Crafters Companion kit from the for the magazine. So let me show you. The first one is a 5 3/4 square card, and of course I used the papers from the collection. I used the stencil to create this panel, and what I did, I used a pink and green color, and then I, with my finger, used the watermark ink, dabbed it through the stencil, and then used the clear embossing powder to get this look. And then I actually added more color by inking through that heat embossed leaves, so I really like this effect. And of course I use the toppers. I layered them on top, use the Nuvo Aroma Drops in Magnolia Bloom for the dots here, and as you can see there are lots of raised elements, which I love this card a lot. I've made an easy card using nesting dies from Craft Stash, and of course I used the toppers to create this card. Yeah, I added some gems in this dark green, and the easy card looks like this. Very nice and colorful, very summery. I use the same green gems over here. Then I've made this 4x6 card, very simple, using the embossing folder from the kit, the topper, and that strip is all from that kit. Use the Nuvo drops, exactly the same over here in the center, and I used 3 different colors to ink this embossing folder, embossing background. I use the embossing folder on this card. It's a hexagon card. Again, use the nesting dies from Craft Stash, and mats, lots of mats and layers, a topper from the kit, the flowers. I actually these are, I think, downloadable toppers as well, and the embossed panel. I just inked it with broken china ink, which is really nice. I think it goes very well with this card. And then 5x7, and this is a top fold card. I've got this panel running through the card. I use the Nuvo drops, and these are the cutting dies from the kit. That's the embossing folder, exactly the same as here and here, but you can see I kept it plain white. And of course mirror card really nicely goes with those papers from the kit, with the sentiment from the kit. So the only thing which I use from my stash is that green paper you can see on this card on over here, and for this one I use an orange from my stash. The other elements are from the kit from Crafters Companion, from the magazine. So I hope you like those samples. Let me know which one is your favorite, and have you got this magazine, or are you actually planning to buy it, because I think the kit is really nice. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.